UltraViewer is a free, lightweight, and beginner-friendly remote desktop software that allow you to control another computer from anywhere over the internet. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to download, install, and use UltraViewer to provide remote support or access a remote PC easily. This guide is perfect for beginner, student, freelancer, and IT support learner who want a simple remote access tool without complicated setup. UltraViewer is often considered a good alternative to TeamViewer for personal use and quick remote troubleshooting. So let's begin. Download UltraViewer. Open the browser. Go to the official UltraViewer website. Click download. Save the setup file to your computer. Install UltraViewer. Open the downloaded setup file. Click on next to install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click finish to open UltraViewer. Understand the interface. When UltraViewer open, you will see two important sections: your ID and password. In the left side, you share this screen the person who will connect to your PC, and partner ID and password in the right side. You enter this to connect to someone else's PC. Connect to another computer to control another PC. Ask your partner for their UltraViewer ID and password and enter their ID in the partner ID box. Enter the password. Click connect to partner. After a few seconds, their desktop will appear on your screen. You can now control their computer remotely. Let someone control your PC. If you need help from someone, open UltraViewer, share your ID and password with the helper. They enter your detail and connect to your PC. Share your safety tips is there. Share your ID and password only with trusted people. Close UltraViewer after the session to finished. Restart UltraViewer to generate a new password for extra security. Now end the session. Simply close the remote window or close the connection. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.